Hello students. Now for your practical exam of computer science and informatics practices, the question paper is shared with you. Now these questions in theory paper also the 5 marks questions will be there. So similar type of questions are shared with you. Now how to submit your copies and how to answer these questions. So in detail I will discuss each question now. So first thing is I want to show you, like some students have very nicely submitted the copies. They have pasted the complete code and the screenshot of the program and output. So this is correct method. That is the screenshot of the program and the output also is pasted here, because in many of the copies the output is missing. Then the second program and the screenshot of the second program as well as the output. So this is the correct method. Now the other students you have written in copy, it is good. You have submitted like this, but the output is missing. So better you have to type it and then you have to take the screenshot of the output and that you have to paste it here. Like in mobile also, if you have done, this is correct, best method this is. So in mobile you have pasted the screenshot very nicely, very good. Output also try to paste it, run this and try to paste the output also after this. So this is the best method, that is your program is there, question is there, aim, then your program is there, and at the end output also you add it. So some of the copies little bit output is missing, you better paste the output and then you submit it. So this is your how to submit your practical exam copies. So question paper has been shared with you. Now I want to show you the outputs also. So here the first program, the first question was roll number, name, percentage of marks of n students, and this will be your menu. Clear? So whatever you have written is correct, that is menu you have displayed here. So while running the program you can see it is taking the input and it is showing the menu, and as per the menu it is showing the output, like search details of a particular student on the basis of roll number and display result. So it is showing, searching whatever input you are giving, it is searching that. Okay, so menus it is showing again and again, and you can see here as per the menu it is doing its task. So if you want to click here 1, then automatically it will show 1 means if your choice is 1, then search details of a particular student on the basis of roll number and display result. Suppose roll number, any roll number you want to search, you can see here already it is 1 roll number was of Isha, 2 of Rami and 3 of Riya. So it is showing here the details. Whichever you want to search, you can just see it. Then display the result of all the students. If you mention here 2, it will display here, see, all the students. So very nicely you have designed it exactly as per the question. It is functioning. Now the program not now, because some students are left till now to submit their copies. So I will discuss the answers of each question afterwards. In detail I will answer it. Only I just wanted to show you how to submit your copies. So these are your questions. Already I have shared the questions with you, and you submit your copies as soon as possible with the output screenshot also. Clear? So like just now I have showed you the sample, same way with the output screenshot you show me the output. So all this output screenshot should be present like this. The program and the output screenshot should be present. ठीक है, सबको समझ में आ गया कि उसको रन करा के आपको आउटपुट स्क्रीनशॉट मोबाइल का या फिर लैपटॉप जिसमें भी आप रन करा रहे हैं, प्रोग्राम को रन करा के आउटपुट का स्क्रीनशॉट भी आपको शेयर करना है अपने प्रोग्राम के साथ सारे प्रोग्राम्स, जितने प्रोग्राम्स हैं आपके, सबके आउटपुट स्क्रीनशॉट को भी आपको शेयर करना है. Next, question number 2. Write a program to input your friend's name, their phone number, and store them in the dictionary as a key value pair. Perform the following operations on the dictionary. So, this is the menu given. Now, in this ideally, when you are doing it and you are running the program, if you can take the screenshot of both in one page, like this is your program and this is the output, so you can simply take the screenshot of both the things on one page only, and then you can paste it in the PDF and then you can share it. So I think this method will be the best method. So like this, all the questions I have shared with you, the 2 and all the other questions also. Like this, all the questions you just paste the screenshot and then you share your copies. So already you have shared it, so I have checked it, only some students are left. Then we will discuss each program in detail. So thank you, have a nice day.